We'll guide you through how to delete and clear Roblox cache in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Over time, the cache will go and build up, and so you want to clear and delete it to go and refresh things. We'll guide you through how that's done. What you can do is go and close out of Roblox, press search at the bottom, and type in run. Click here. You'll get this pop-up. In here, you want to go and type in %local app data %. Press enter or OK, and the file explorer will open up. Now scroll through here. You need to go and find the Roblox folder. This is alphabetical. Come into Roblox, and you can then press Ctrl and A to select them all. Then right click on one of them, and you want to go and find the option for delete. Go and delete it, and you can wait, and that will be it. For some of them, you may need to go and skip, so select that and press skip, and that's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.